exciting and honestly really nerve-wracking because this is my first video. So be gentle with me, it's my first time. Thank you so much for just even, see, look, I'm just dropping everything. God. Thank you so much for just even clicking on this video. I appreciate you. This is gonna be my first unboxing video with Boxy Charm. And so I'm just gonna really go through the box with you guys and, you know, just try it all out. This box, their theme is getaway, which I always want to get away. TBH, if you know me, I legit always try to get away. Like, always. Really quick before I start, I'm also not wearing a single thing on my face. So this is kind of what I look like right now. Yeah, I'm sorry that I'm not like glam. I will be in a bit. It's really cool because they give you like a list. Oh my god. They give you like a list of all the things that are in the box, how much they retail for, what they're actually for. The first one is the No Problem. Honestly, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I read it as No Problem. Do you guys tell me you guys read it the same way? Cause a ver. So it's an essence. It makes your pores silky smooth and super nice. I like things that are essence more than I do like other cream foundations. For me personally, I feel like when I put like an actual lotion or a non-essence product, I feel like it's a little bit more oilier or like thicker. I'm gonna do this as my first step so I can start putting on some maquillage. I normally don't really put on very much makeup. Oh, it's like a screw. It's a little screw there. Look at that. Oh, got a little excited there. So right off the bat, also like essence are usually like, they always feel like watery, like very like. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this. This kind of, they say you should tap stuff into your face. Like, I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on, to be honest. I grew up where my mom used to put on like loads of crema. Just like literally agarraba. She would get like well, she does this now. She basically would get like this little like old cream container and put up all her other cremas, just like put them in there. At night she would just get it and put it all over her face. But like my mom packs it on. Mamá, te quiero tanto. Estoy hablando de tus cremas. And so this little shout out to my mom. Hey mom. This is like super smooth. I like kind of want to put it on my entire body because this is like really nice. I don't know if I look different on camera. Probably still look a ratchet. The next one is the Wonder Packets. This is what I'm about. Okay, so I'll have to leave these masks for a later date because to be honest, me frega, I should have put these on first. But you know, like you live and you learn. So it's by Haru Wonder Maki Berry Antioxidant Mask Trio Pack. You can get them retailed at, let's see, $9. So you just like save yourself a good wad of cash there. You can literally go have a meal. Subway, eat fresh. I'm obsessed with Subway. So Subway, if you're watching this, I would love a sponsorship because I te amo with all my heart. All of my heart. Let's see. So the next product is going to be this Tarte. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's an eyeshadow palette. And this is like really cute. Really nice. Natural, bronzy, really summer vibes, which is really nice. This retails for $36. $36, baby. So the next item is Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. Oh my god. And this color is Cotton Candy. And it retails for $26, which is wild though because this is $36, this is $26, $23. That's a lot of money. That is like a lot of money to be spending at Sephora, at Ulta. Like with this, like with the subscription on Boxy Charm, you get all of these products for super cheap. For like, it's gonna sound super cliched, but a major fraction of the cost. You're just gonna spend it anyways, might as well spend it smart. I don't know if that's gonna look so good on me though, it's a gauge. Actually, that looks really good on. That's like a really nice like highlighter. So it's like really cream based, so you can kind of see there. This, and you can see that pigmentation like really intensely. Right? God, that's like really nice. Okay, so I'm really excited to try that right now too. This is gonna be Peach Tea. And this is gonna be the lipstick by Dominique Cosmetics. So this retails for $17. Alright, so that was my box. I'm gonna use everything, but I just put on the Problem. No Problem is on my face right now, so that's like super nice. It honestly feels like I just have a really good moisturizer on my face. Okay, so I'm totally gonna use this mirror because this mirror is like massive. Okay, so I am using my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer because I do have pretty deep bags, as you guys can tell. I'm really bad at sometimes doing my makeup because I just really don't care sometimes. I definitely don't. I'm gonna put on a little bit of markup, just a little bit. See, such a, like, literally nothing. I'm like, but it's kind of now, I just kind of beat my face. I don't really contour my face unless once again, I'm gonna get pictures taken, stuff like that. I think I'm gonna do like a bronzy, beachy look. So let's see, I'm gonna do a little brown. So I'm gonna go onto here. That one's Daybreak. So just right off the bat, I can tell it's really pigmented. So freaking good. Oh my God, the frijoles! Se van a quemar, se van a quemar, se van a quemar. Oh. Se me quemaron los frijoles. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry. Desde ahorita te pido perdón. Mom's gonna be so upset at me. Por andar de muy cursi, muy vlogger, muy youtubera. Se me quemaron los frijoles. So, my frijoles, deadass, just really burned. So, that sucks. Okay, so going back into this. My mom just got home right now and she's gonna be so upset about the beans. So I'm gonna go in with this color now. And she's gonna be Sunbeam. Because my eyes are un rayo de sol. Dada's gonna be like los frijoles. Hey, Mom.
¿Quién ha venido? Se quemaron. Se quemaron. ¿Sí? Ay, Elvira, no te dije.
I'm sorry. Immediately. Pero no se quemaron mucho. Poquito.
Era
My hair is really dark, right? But I don't like my eyebrows being so dark, so I kind of use like an auburn. So really quick, I'm gonna put this highlighter. Honestly, it's a little pink, so I don't know if it'll go with my skin tone, TBH. Oh, but that's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, that's like, oh, I like that. I'm obsessed with Flexitarian though, so I'm gonna go in with Flexitarian by ColourPop. Put on the tip of my nose. Actually, I really like that cream one, so I think I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose and right above my lips. As you can tell, I don't really have big lips, but on my pictures, videos, and stuff like that, I do. And that's because, girl, fake it till you make it. I love lipsticks. I'm gonna do a little bit of my Dolce Vita because I feel like it's a little more browny, but pink. So I do this. Okay, so I'm going to put on a very thin line. I don't really wear that much eyeliner. If someone can do my makeup and like make me look like snatched, I'm down. So I'm gonna do NYX. There's like no label on it, as you can tell. Like a little NYX. There's no label on it anymore like that because it's so old.
Few inches later.
Let's go.
I'm almost done.
Elvira, please hurry up.
Wait.
Cut it out. No more.
Wait. Almost done. Okay. That's my sister Denise. For those of you who don't know, which majority of you do, La Denicia, I'll drop her link below so you guys can check her out. She's pretty funny. Sometimes.
6.5 hours later.
This eyeliner is not coming out the way I want it to. God, give me grace. Give me grace.
A few moments later.
It's like I'm putting on lashes. I was hoping that my sister would help me put on these lashes because I suck.
Goodness gracious. I'm not coming out in your video, FYI.
Okay, just be careful. I just glued them already.
How are you going to do a tutorial and you don't know how to put eyelashes on? Maybe that's what you need to do. Maybe you need to see a tutorial to know how to put on eyelashes.
I just can't put them on so quick. It's going to take me a while.
Okay, next.
Did you put on my eye right?
Yes, I did. I hope you know it's not recording.
You're lying.
You need to buy the black one.
I don't like the black one.
Well,
it makes it, like,
the
super
black one
pigmented.
makes it seem like it's still your eyeliner. That's the trick, ladies. If you get the black
I
one,
thought you didn't want to be in the video.
if you get the look at see how it leaves it a white, which I hate. I personally always get the black one because it almost accentuates my liner, so it helps in looking thicker and darker.
Thicker than a Snicker. Okay, I'm just gonna put my lipstick on and that's it. I'm gonna get lip fillers. Check this out. And this is Huda Beauty. Ah, damn. I just... Boom, Kylie. Boom. I'm part of the lip filler club now. That's my snatched look. Do I look snatched on camera?
What the hell does snatch mean, you little Gen Zers? All right, bye.
First of all, I'm not a Gen Zer.
Yeah, you are. You're not
I'm a millennial.
No, you're not.
I'm 24 years old.
Yeah, it's done. Cut.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watch it this far, you are a golden star. Besitos, muchas gracias. Thank you so much for Boxy Charm. I appreciate you guys and definitely check it out. It's worth it.